So as you can see, this is the Google form that I've created, and it's over my theme, Animals and Agriculture. So this is the Questions tab, and this is the Response tab. So as far as the Questions tab, this just goes over the form that I've created and that I will send out to students or other people that I want to respond to my questions. So for the purpose of this activity, I only included 5 different questions, but you can include however many you want. And you can also include however many answer choices that you want, but I only included a couple, but I did down here try to include more for response purposes and the graphing that the responses include in the response page. So going back to questions, over here you can decide which kind of answers you want, whether that be multiple choice or if you want an essay type answer, or if you want to add some type of grid or anything like that, you can do that here. And then you can also check down here if this question is required or not, which is super simple. And to make it a little easier as far as adding in questions, I had the questions already typed out on a Word document, and then I was able to copy and then paste them right onto the form. So then I published it and sent it out to people, which is very simple. All you have to do is hit the Send tab, and you can easily add people's emails and either hit Send then, or you can go here and it will give you the link of your form, and you can then copy it and send it to your phone and send it through text or through email, whatever you want to do. It also gives you options to do from social media. So there's a bunch of different options as far as sending out these forms. So going to responses, as you can see, this 12 stands for the number of responses that I've received. And as you can see, it still says accepting responses. So people that I've shared it with that haven't responded yet can still respond because I have this clicked on. Now, if I turn this off, then people can no longer respond and the form will be closed. So looking down at my questions, you can see the variation of what people have answered. And this is like as a total of all the 12 that I've received. But you can also go to the tab up here and hit individual. It is anonymous, but you can see what the 12 people have responded individually. And you can just go through here. It's pretty simple. And then if you were wanting to record these responses to help you remember at a later time, you can create a spreadsheet and save it there. You can also download your responses or print them if you needed to. And then you can also set up to where you get notifications when people respond. So it's pretty simple.